The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra spotted selling in a retail store, which pretty much give us an idea what the box is looking alike. Plus, it also confirms the color option for the S23 Ultra. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, there is very little mystery about the S23 Ultra at this point in time. We already know pretty much everything about the device, which include the spec sheet, including the details of the new 200 megapixel main camera sensor, plus the pricing of the S23 series. Samsung even opened up the reservation for the S23 family, which will give you a $50 credit if you pre-reserve the device early. Now today we have got a leak coming from Elixir KM Cell store, which is based in Matagalpa, and they have showcased the box of the S23 Ultra. Now the thing you should note here that the source is not going to be credible, and we even don't know what the box of the S23 series look like. But this is for the first time we are seeing any box of the S23 Ultra, so we are assuming that this is going to be true. Now, if that leak is true, you will notice that we have four color options that were previously rumored. We have pink, green, cream, and the black color option available for the S23 Ultra. Now, the retailer has given us the 12GB and 512GB storage option model, and he's saying that it is going to be readily available for immediate delivery. And no pricing is shared along with the post, but there are few photos showcasing the boxes as well as unpacked unit in the pink. Now if you look at the unboxed pink color option, it is looking great. Plus you will also notice that you are going to be getting a black color S Pen with the tip of the similar color, which means that if you choose any other colors like black, it will be coming with the tip with the black color options, whereas if you choose the green, then the tip of the S Pen will be the green color option. And these boxes are looking great, not bad either, and they are kind of a different from the last two generation of the S series launches. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you liking the box of the S23 Ultra? Now moving forward, as a quick refresher, the S23 Ultra based on leak will be coming with a 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is going to be coming with an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, plus a new 4K video portrait mode is coming just like the iPhone series, but it's going to be much improved as per the Ice Universe detail. Now we are also going to be seeing the 6.8-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED display with a QHD plus resolution, and also it's coming with a 500 ppi and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front. Also you will be getting the similar 1750 nits of peak brightness just like the S22 Ultra. We are also expecting to see the similar 5000 mAh battery plus a 45-watt charging speed just like the S22 Ultra, and it will be running Android 13 with One UI 5.1 on top of that. Internally, it will be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is going to be the custom one, and it will give you 45% of better CPU and GPU performance, plus it's going to be more power efficient. Also, one important thing is here that no Exynos is coming this year, which is a nice thing to have. Plus, we also going to be getting a 256GB of a base storage for the S23 Ultra, which is amazing. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you like the S23 series boxes? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.